Hey guys, MintyCodes here. Today I'm here with my first ever video. I'm going to be bringing you episode 1 of a series that I'm starting, showing you how to code a Minecraft app client for 1.8.8. So yeah, let's get started. All you're going to need is, if you want to add Optifine, then you can get this up. You'll need this event manager. I'm not sure who made this, but yeah, credit to them. And you're going to need MCP. So we're just going to download all of these. So MCP 918, going to want to download zip and get this one down here, 1.8.8 HDUE1 and GitHub. So I've made this folder already, but yeah, you just create a new folder. You don't need the downloads in it, I've just downloaded everything here so it's easy to organise. So everything seems to have downloaded. Well, the event manager, MCP and Optifine. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up MCP first, then go into our folder and just copy everything in here into our client folder. So you can call this whatever you want. I've just called it tutorial client to make it easier to access and stuff. And yeah, so now we're going to click this decompile.bat if you're on Windows. I think it's decompile.sh if you're on Mac. Okay, we're back. It's just finished doing this. Took a while, but it's all done, which is nice. So yeah, you should see this, so don't worry about that, that's fine, that's because we're not doing anything with the server, just still look at the client side. So press any key to continue, so just press any key to continue, or just close it, same thing. What we're going to do now is we're going to set this up using IntelliJ, so just run IntelliJ, click import project, choose tutorial client or whatever you called your folder, and click on Eclipse. So okay, now we want to click import project from external model and click on Eclipse. Next, you just want to click next again, uncheck server and then click next and just click finish. So there we go, this should come up, doesn't really matter if it does, so yeah, just ignore that, press OK. So now you should see this. You want to go up to the top right here and click on project structure. You want to just call this tutorial. Oh no, tutorial. You can call it whatever you want, just call it your client name. But I'm going to call it tutorial. So go into modules, change the module SDK to project SDK. So also go to sources. You should see SRC Minecraft. If you don't, then it doesn't really matter, but we're just going to remove it and add a content root, tutorial client, and then go into SRC Minecraft. So this is just to make sure that you have the right path for the SRC Minecraft thing. So now, yeah, make sure that's project SDK. This should be project default 8 lambdas type expression, type annotations, etc. And then just click apply, okay. And now wait down here for it to finish. Okay, so now in the top right, click this little down arrow and click edit configurations. So now click the plus in the top left and click application. So you're just adding a new application. Just call this tutorial or your client name, whatever. This main class needs to be start, the one in the default package. VM arguments is going to be, well, I have it here, I'm going to put this in the description so that you can see it. It's just set in the library path, version 2, 1.8.8. So now in the working directory you want to change the Eclipse to chars and then apply, okay. Now we should have this all set up, so if we click the little run button up here, we can see that it should run. By the way, this tutorial is for people who have some experience with Java and kind of know what they're doing. Okay, so we can see that it's all compiled, and we've got a little console down here. This should show everything that it's doing. And okay, perfect, so it seems to be running okay. Let me just turn down the volume a bit, and change the FOV to Quite Pro, and this to normal. So now you can see if we go into a single player world, it should have MCP world there, so just click on that. It should all run correctly without crashing. So, yep, perfect. We can run around, all works perfectly fine. Great. So I'm just going to quickly change my frame rate and brightness. There we go. Okay, so now we can just quit the game, and yeah. So now if you want to add Optifine to your client, all we're going to do is open up the Optifine that you downloaded, go into your client folder, SLC Minecraft, and then just copy all this and drag it in there. And that's how you install Optifine. So once this is done, you should be able to run it and you'll have Optifine. So you want to click replace files in the destination. Shouldn't break anything. There we go, it's done. So we've got these two new folders in here, assets and Optifine. So now if we run the client, we should see that we have Optifine built in. Okay, so now if we go into a single player world, we should see that we can press C and we can zoom in. We have Optifine. So that's perfect. I'm just going to quickly change the keybind to what I prefer, which is Alt. Because, yeah. But yeah, as you can see, got Optifine built in. Got all the Optifine settings and everything. Perfect. So now what we're going to do is we're actually going to hook into Minecraft and make sure we can do stuff to the game. So you want to open up the client folder and open Minecraft. You want to right click New Package. So normally these would be named after a website. So for example, my website is MintyCodes.com, but you'd switch around and put com.mintycodes. So that's a bit strange. If you don't have a website, you can just, or I've done me, you can just me.yourname. Whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna do com.mintycodes.tutorial there, and I'm going to create a new class. I'm just going to call this tutorial. Simple. Now in here we want some strings. They're going to be name. So the name of the client is going to be tutorial. We want the version, which is just going to be 1 for now, and we want the creator. This isn't necessary, but I'm just going to add it in. So the creator is going to be MintyCodes. Okay, so now we're just going to create an instance. This is just so we don't have to make everything in this class static. So public tutorial instance equals new tutorial. There we go. And now we're just going to create a function, start client. Okay, we want to make this void. So what we're going to do is we're just going to log this to the console. So system.out.println. We're going to do that plus name. That, right here. Starting client build this version created by this creator. Okay, so this is going to say, well, down here it's going to say tutorial starting client build 1 created by MintyCodes. So that should all work. I'm just going to set the title. So this is like up here we've got tutorial and so on. So set the title. It's going to be name plus build version. So that should hopefully we will need to do. So if you press Control N now, if you're in IntelliJ, if you're in Eclipse, press Control Shift R, but I'm actually doing this in IntelliJ. Go into Minecraft. You want to search for Start Game, and just go to this function. And then down at the bottom of it, here, we're going to do tutorial.instance.start. Why isn't this? There. Tutorial.instance.start client. And that should hopefully start our client. I'm also just going to search for Minecraft 1.8.8. This isn't necessary, I'm just going to put loading Minty.instance. Sorry, not Minty, that's my other client. Tutorial.instance.name. So that should hopefully work. So if we run this, you can see that it says loading tutorial, and that's because we did this. Now it says tutorial build 1. So perfect, and you can see down here we have tutorial starting client build 1 created by MintyCodes. So that all works perfectly. Some quick game. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to implement the event manager, like the thing that we downloaded earlier in this event manager. So all we're going to do for that is we're going to create a new package called event. Like I said before, I don't own this event manager. I don't know who does, but it works very well, so I'm going to use it. So we want to go into com, into players tutorial, event, and then just drag all this stuff into here. Yeah, okay, perfect. So we're going to get a few errors because we don't actually have the package in here. So we just want to package com.mintyplays.tutorial.event. Call this whatever your event package is called. And we just want to copy paste this into all of the classes. Perfect. You can see that we've got an error in event. You're going to want to change this to your class.instance instead of tutorial.instance. But you can see that we've got an error there because it can't resolve the symbol event manager. So we're just going to create that in here. So public event manager, and there, and in here, event manager equals new event manager. Sorted. So that should fix all our errors, and we've got a working event manager. So now with that event manager, we're going to create some events. So new package, events, and what we're going to have for now is event2d extends event. And we want a private float width and height, and then public event2d float width and float height. This dot width equals width, and this dot height equals height. Sorted. So now we're just going to create some guesses for these. So public float get width, return width, and public float get height, return height. We don't need any setters because we're not going to be setting these again. So now we want event 3D extends event, and in here we just want private float partial 6. Public event 3D float partial 6. This dot partial 6 equals partial 6. And we're going to create a getter for this. Public float get partial 6. Return partial 6. Simple. Now, next we want event key extends event private key, key, this dot key equals key. And we're going to create a getter once again. Public int get key. Return key. Okay, so after that we want event pre-motion update extends event once again, and we just want private float yaw and pitch, and a private boolean ground. I want to create a constructor once again, float yaw, float pitch, float ground. This dot yaw equals yaw, this dot pitch equals pitch, and this dot ground equals ground. So, what's wrong with that? Oh, boolean ground, not float. Okay, so now we want getters and setters for these. So public float get yaw, return yaw, public void set yaw, float yaw, this dot yaw equals yaw, public float get pitch, return pitch, public void set pitch, this dot pitch plus pitch, pitch. Okay. And finally, public boolean on ground, return ground, and public void set ground, this dot ground equals ground. I keep forgetting. Boolean ground. There we go. So that's pre-motion update done. Next we want post-motion update, and this is just going to extend event, but it's not going to have anything in it, so yeah, that's easy enough. And event update is going to be the same, so extend event, and nothing in there. So now we want to actually put these events in some of the Minecraft code so that they're called in the right place. So GUI in-game first. We're going to go to around here, there we go. This is what we need, and private event 2D, event 2D, there's a new event 2D, and in here, what do we need? Let's just check. We want width and height, so scaled resolution dot get scaled width, and scaled resolution dot get scaled height. And now, oh, no private, just yeah, and event 2D dot call. Simple. Now we want to open entity renderer, and we want to go to around. Alright, this is quite far down. We want to go to about. See if we can find it. About here, I think. So yeah, it's going to be just above hand in quotations, so you can just search for that using Control F if you want. So now we want event 3D, event 3D equals new event 3D. And what do we need in here? Let's just check. Partial ticks, so that's simple enough. We just type in partial ticks. And event 3D dot cool. Once again. After that, event key, we're going to just go into Minecraft and look for if k equals 1. Okay, so now event key, event key, there's a new event key, and in here we need int key, so that's just going to be k, and event key dot cool, just like everything else. Event pre and post motion update, and also event update, all of the last ones, is going to be entity player SP, and it's going to go to around. Right, so let's just search for. So pre-motion update is going to go into on update walking player right here. So event pre-motion update, event pre-motion update equals new, event pre-motion update, and in here we need, oh, and in here your pitch and ground. So, alright, sorry about that. We also need some private int, I think, pos x, pos y, and pos z. Or you can just, I'm actually just going to call these x, y, and z. And then int x, int y, int z. And this dot x equals x, this dot y equals y, and this dot z equals z. We don't need getters and setters for them yet, but we will create some eventually. So we want this dot rotation yaw, this dot rotation pitch, this dot pos x, no, this dot on ground, this dot pos x, this dot pos y, and this dot pos z. So, right, sorry. I've failed again. Double. We want to change these ints to doubles. Sorry about this. I've not done these events in a while, so completely forgot what I was doing. Okay. Event pre-motion update. Cool. Now for event post-motion update, I'm just gonna go here. So let's just event post event. It's a bit strange. Oh, I just called it post-motion update. Why did I do that? Right, we want event post-motion update, and we want to refactor rename to event post-motion update. I don't know why I just called it. Don't know why I forgot the event, but yeah. Post-motion update. Event post-motion update. Cool. Simple enough. Now the final event is going to be in round up. Oh, right here. So event update equals new event update.com. There. That's all the events done. So now what we're going to do for the last of this episode is go into tutorial, and we want to do event manager dot register this, and we want to create another function called stop client, and that's just going to have event manager dot unregister this, and then we're just going to go back into the Minecraft class. We want to find shutdown Minecraft applet, and go into that function, and right here we just want tutorial instance.stop client. I think that's about it. So now we have the events and everything, and we've got all the setup done. So thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed, hope it helped, and goodbye.